Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous videos we have covered two things about LabVIEW and OPC-UA server, that how to read entire data of Prosys OPC-UA simulation server and display it on a LabVIEW GUI. Okay, and the second thing we have covered is how to read entire data of our Prosys OPC-UA simulation server and log that data into SQLite database. So if you visit our website, then we have covered these two things: how to read multiple tag of Prosys OPC-UA simulation server in the LabVIEW, and we can see those data in the GUI. And the second thing we have covered is same thing, reading, and then after we are logging the data into the SQLite database with the help of LabVIEW. Now in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to log our data in the CSV file instead of SQLite database. Okay, so here you can see the CSV file on my desktop. If I open this CSV file, and you can see the timestamp, and here we have the tag value of our Prosys OPC-UA simulation server. If you want to see the second in the timestamp, then you can check it from here. Okay, let me add a second here. Yeah, you can see at every second we are logging the data. Okay, so if you want to do this using the LabVIEW, okay, then how can you do it? So we will see the demo in this video, and if you want to purchase the LabVIEW project, then also you can purchase it from our Shopify store. Also you will have a link on the screen as well. So let me close this one. Okay, so in this video mainly we are focusing on how to read and log multiple tags of Prosys OPC-UA simulation server to CSV file using the LabVIEW. So let me minimize this one, and here is our Prosys OPC-UA simulation server. You can see it is running, and here is our endpoint URL. Okay, and if you go to objects, then you can see we have this much of objects: constant, counter, random, sawtooth, sinusoid, square, and triangle. Okay, we want to read this data and we want to log the data into CSV file. So let me delete the previous CSV file, and we will navigate to now our LabVIEW project. So here is the value of our tag, okay, or variable, and here you have to specify the detail of OPC-UA simulation server and where you want to store the CSV file. So here is my OPC-UA endpoint URL. So I have copied the endpoint URL from here. I have to paste it here, and then I have to set the message mode and the security policy. So message mode I have selected is none, and the security policy I have selected is basic 256. Now in which folder you want to store your file, so I just have to click here and I have to choose the folder in which I want to store my CSV file. So I have selected the desktop as of now, and it will auto generate the CSV file name based on the current date. So if your date is changed, okay, if this project is running continuously, then it will check for today's date and it will create a new file, and then it will log the data in the new file. Now what is the delimiters? Okay, so for CSV file, this one is our delimiter, and here you will have your error if you are facing anything. Okay, now we can start our LabVIEW project, and once we start our LabVIEW project, you will see the CSV file is created on the desktop. So let me start it. Okay, you can see the file is created and the data is updating on every second, and according to that, data is also logged into the CSV file. Okay, you can see there is no error. Okay, no CSV error, no OPC-UA error. If you keep this software running, it will continuously log your data into CSV file. If I open my desktop folder here, you can see file size is 3 KB, and you can see last update was 12:24 p.m. If I refresh, let's wait for 12:25. Okay, and then you will see the last update is 12:25, and till then we have so many data in the CSV file. Okay, you can see 12:25, and I can stop this LabVIEW project. I can open the CSV file, and you can see we have so many data, so many tags got logged. Okay, I can change format cell, custom, and I can add second here. Okay, you can see data got logged at every second. So 12:24:16 we have started our logging, and we have stopped our logging at 12:25:05. So based on that, it will continuously log our data. Okay, and after the CSV data logging, we can use this CSV for report generation, or we can directly log this CSV, or we can directly transfer the CSV into database. Okay, so that is one of the possibility. So I hope this thing is clear, that you can do data logging in the CSV file with the help of LabVIEW. Okay, you can customize this project based on your need. You can visit our website. Okay, I will provide the demo link, I mean this video link here, and you can also purchase the LabVIEW project by clicking on this link. I will update this later on once I publish the video on YouTube. Okay, so I hope this makes sense and this is clear to you, that LabVIEW is capable to log your OPC-UA data at every second to CSV file, also in the SQLite database. In the future videos, we can see how to log your data into MySQL database as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.